morning everyone, I'm in my car and we are ready for another adventure. It's a beautiful, cold March day. We thought winter is gone, but it's still with us. And I'm happy because today is more about winter adventure. And I'm heading north of Toronto, about 2 hours, to area called Collingwood Blue Mountains. Blue Mountains is a huge area and you can explore it for days and days and days. But today we are going to the place called Scenic Caves Natural Adventure Nordic Center. What we're gonna do there? Lots of fun. And I'm sure we will enjoy it together. Because today I'm with you, by myself, but with you. So I am ready. Let's go and let's enjoy this beautiful day. Okay, we're coming closer. We have another 5 minutes to drive. And I can already smell this adventure. I have arrived. I'm gonna go get my tickets now and also get my snowshoe rental. I went to receive my snowshoes, so I have to find out how to put them on first. Here is our map, and let's see how much we will afford today. My first experience snowshoeing, and yeah, you have to get used to it first because it's a little wobbly and but I'm excited and I'm ready for this. Look how neat and clean is this trail. They cleaned it this morning, so of course I arrived early. They opened an hour ago, but looks like no one has snowshoed or skied to this bridge today yet. I am the first one! Oh boy, it was my dream to try this bridge out in winter time, especially in winter time. And we are going to try it out. Ooh. I was under the impression that on this bridge, a suspension bridge, I'm gonna be moving with the wind. But it's so calm and quiet, there's no wind, maybe a little bit. But this bridge is very stable, not scary at all. And it's a great, great time to be here. Oh boy, look at this views of Georgian Bay. The suspension bridge was complete in June 2003. The bridge is a total of 420 feet long and is about 25 meters high of the valley floor. This bridge is OnTaRiO's longest suspension footbridge. There can be never too many people on the bridge. It could handle the weight of people standing tummy to butt, shoulder to shoulder, stacked 4 high, and the entire length of the bridge. The foundation holding the 2 anchors weighed 260,000 pounds. So it says look up 120 feet highest point on the Thunder Twin zip line. Okay, let's look up. Who is ready for the zip line? so much. I have no idea. But I love nature for this wonderful views, for these beautiful places that you can visit. And there are so many more that are waiting for us. And I'm glad that we have an opportunity to travel and to show these beautiful places to you. And I hope you're enjoying it as much as I do. I love you. What I really liked about this place, it's very well organized. Anywhere you go, there are signs, there are directions, and there are maps. So you're never gonna lose a way. That always happens to me. So now we are going to Deep Woods Trail, and let's loop it around about 2 kilometers, and we will see what's next. Nature lives its own life. These holes are woodpecker's holes. You can see closer. What an exciting adventure it was. I definitely enjoyed it so much. I hope you too. And it's time to say bye to snowshoes. I'm a little tired, but it was wonderful. It was amazing. So say bye to snowshoes. So my friends, we get back to Toronto. So it was I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm asking you to subscribe and hit like button out there. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any ideas, please through the comment, and I will see you in the next adventures. I love you all. Bye.